To start with meditation, we will chant 3 ohms. Now gently lie down, keeping your hands and legs relaxed. Gently close your eyes and take 5 deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. Last time, breathe in and out. Relax. We are entering into the meditative session. I will keep my mind awake and alert. I will also pay attention that no thoughts distract my sound meditation. Relax, relax, relax. Now I take my attention on my right big toe. I start relaxing my right leg part by part. Relaxing my toes. Right ankle. Calf. Right knee. Right thigh. And the whole of my right leg. Relax, relax, relax. The same way, I take my attention on my left big toe, left ankle, left calf, knee, left thigh, till my left hip. The whole of my left leg is relaxed. Relax, relax, relax. Now I take my attention on my right hand. Right hand fingers, palm, right wrist, right elbow, and the whole right arm. The whole of my right hand is getting relaxed, relax, relax, relax. The same way, I take my attention on my left hand fingers, left wrist, left elbow, and the whole of my left hand is getting relaxed. Relax, relax, relax. The same way, I take my attention from my stomach till the shoulders, relaxing my stomach, chest, shoulders, and the whole spine. Relax, relax, relax. Moving from the shoulders till the center of my head. I relax my neck. I relax my chin, lips, nose, ears, eyes, forehead, and the center of my head. Relax, relax, relax. My whole body has become cold. I am very happy in this state of mind. My breathing has become deeper. My mind has become quiet. Relax, relax, relax. I am a very positive person, very generous, kind to all. I give out my positive energy to everyone. Today, my day will be very beautiful. Now, I bring a smile over my face. I am in a very blissful state. With this positive energy, I gently move my fingers and toes. And now, come into my awareness state. I lie down on my right side without opening my eyes and slowly sit in any asana. We will chant Om together. Take a deep breath in. Join your palms. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Now gently rub your palm. Slowly open your eyes with a big smile on your face. Thank you.